If you're thinking about buying an RV, living in an RV, or you already own RV and you're wondering where your money's going, you are in the right place because the RV industry doesn't tell you the real numbers. Dealers won't tell you, manufacturers won't tell you, and most RV channels only show you campfires and sunsets. But here, we'll break down the actual financial reality of owning an RV. What RVs really cost, what mistakes people make that cost them thousands, and smart money moves that experienced RV owners use to stay ahead. The hidden costs and the strategies that can save you thousands of dollars. Every week, we expose the numbers, the hidden costs, the strategies that can save you serious money before you buy your next RV. So if you want RV freedom without financial regret, hit subscribe. It's free. Enjoying thousands of RV owners learning how to travel smarter. RV living should feel like freedom, not a financial surprise. I'm Ron, and this is Optimized RV Living. Welcome to the channel.